Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn where is YouTube language setting. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is a global online video sharing and social media platform headquartered in San Bruno, California.
It was launched on February 14, 2005, by Steve Chin, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim.
It is owned by Google, and is the second most visited website, after Google search. YouTube has more than 2.5 billion monthly users who collectively watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. As of May 2019, videos were being uploaded at a rate of more than 500 hours of content per minute. In order to change language on YouTube, you first need to go to your browser and type youtube.com and hit enter. Now click on your profile and click on language. Select your language. Now the language is changed. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.